Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to flip your board in chess.com. Now, if you want to flip the chessboard in a game, it's actually quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into your account, and once you're logged in and you are in your home screen like so, you want to choose whatever game you want to play. For this video, we are just going to solve the puzzle. Wait for it to load.
Find a way to end the game with a checkmate.
All right, so once you are in your board, you want to hover your mouse near the top right corner. As you can see here, there is this settings icon, the cogwheel, and then you have this double arrow that points up and points down, and it says flip board, right? If you go away from this corner, it's gonna disappear because it's hidden. So to flip your board, just hover your mouse here and click flip board like so. And as you can see, the board has been flipped to the other side. So that is how you flip your chess.com chessboard if you want to do so. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.